Are you recording already?
Oh, you just pull them out?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yes.
You want me to wait until that hurts? Oh. You okay?
Good.
You want me to give you pain meds before?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I felt like I got stabbed with a fork.
You can delete that. Oh no.
Oh, my friend was like, it doesn't hurt at all. I was so confident right now.
Yeah.
Do they like wrap around like a regular staple? Like on the ends?
Yeah.
It feels like it clamped me like this.
And then it pulls it out, yeah. But when it clamps, it kind of bends it a little bit, so that's probably when it hurt.
I felt like they went like this, and I almost squished her hand, but I like let go right away. I let go right away.
Oh, you okay? Good.
Jeez, man, don't try this at home.
So if I throw up, I got the sink right here.
Oh my god, yeah, there you go.
Damn, how many staples?
A lot.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 16 staples. Ow.
Sari's being a weenie right now.
Damn. Even though I broke my clavicle and I dealt with that pain, the staples suck.
That's nothing. That's like you just like a band-aid right there. You're peeling off.
No.
16 staples.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have them staples.
16 staples and 2 sutures.
We're gonna wait a little bit to like the cream sinks in my pores, hopefully.
So it's just, it kind of numbs it.
Kind of.
It should numb it.
So why did they put staples on this one and that on those? Because to me that looks way more painful than that.
Yeah, it just depends on the surgery and who's doing it. It's all preference, really.
Oh, wait, no. I thought we were waiting a little bit longer.
So it's not gonna kill the pain away, but
wait, not yet.
Not yet?
Give me a towel so I can like bite on it. Okay. I should probably listen to like meditating music or something.
Okay, take a deep breath.
Oh, that was not bad.
That wasn't bad?
No.
Good. You okay? Stop.
It's like stinging. Like a bee stung me. Okay then. Alright.
You need more time?
Okay.
How come it felt like that one closed?
Okay, take a deep breath. No? That one hurts?
That one does hurt.
Yeah.
Oh, there's like holes in there. That looks creepy.
Might have been the way that it was angled when they stapled it. Because it's kind of like...
They're like, oh, she's asleep. Who cares? Just put it, just leave it.
Yeah. It's
not right now.
I'm not in your way, right?
More cream.
You're okay. Doing good. So good.
Only 2 more.
No, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Oh, thank God.
4 more.
You're doing a really good job, though.
Thank you.
Deep breath. Good job.
Yeah, it was like hooked in there. Like it's bleeding. It's not that bad.
It's just cutting off the tip, or?
No, it's cutting off the inside.
And then you pull it out?
But usually they leave a little bit of space, but this one they tied it pretty tight. Let me just make sure that I got everything.
It's like a worm coming out of my skin.
Yeah.